In this video, we're going to go through the main pattern for echoes in the mirror. So to start off, we're going to play 4 repetitions of a right left, right left, right left, right left. And in each repetition, we're going to play the beats and come up high with our arms and then drop down again. So it's right left, right left, right left, right left. So what we're trying to achieve is a nice, loose, flowing movement. We're trying to lead with our right hand as we play the beats. And so, re. And so, re. To help with this movement, we can use a bit of body movement as we come up by pushing up on the balls of our feet and then allowing our body to drop down as we play the beats. And so, re. For the next part, we're going to keep the sound of the beats the same, dork-on, 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 but we're going to be swapping the sticking on it. So we're going to be playing right left, left right, right left, left right. So along with this, we're going to be bringing our arms out to the side and trying to draw a misshapen figure of 8 in the air. So it'll be right left, left right, right left, left right. Dork-on, cordon, dork-on, cordon. And so, re. And so, hip. So try and avoid bringing the arms too far behind and overstretching. That way it'll make it harder to play and there's more likely to cause an injury to your shoulder or someone behind you. So keep it nice and flowing and nice and relaxed so the movements are nice and easy. So both those parts together. Dork-on, 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 cordon, dork-on, cordon. That's right left, right left, right left, right left, right left, left right, right left, left right. So moving on to the next part. After we've brought our arms round to the left and up, we're going to play a double beat using both sticks. So it's Dom, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the count for bringing the arms nice and slowly back up in the air. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to play another double beat. Cross the bachi over and draw a circle with our arms to this position. So it's 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. As we draw the circle, try and make sure that the bachi stay parallel with the arm, so they're sticking out as an extension of the arm as you bring them round. And while you do this, you may need to turn the top half of your body to the side slightly, to the right hand side. And then back to the centre again. So from here, out, and to the centre. So that part again. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. So everything so far. And so, ho! 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So for the next part, we're just going to repeat the last part, but twice the speed. You may find it easier when you're doing the circular motion not to cross over the bachi. That might be easier for people with more experience. So it might be easier to play up, round from there, rather than having to bring the bachi over here. So dropping down and out. Hup, hup. So again, both of them are double beats. So putting everything together so far, and sore. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, zoom, zoom. So once we've done the faster second circle, we're finished in this position. We're going to play a right, left, right, left. Don, con, don, con. So from here, right, left, right, left. And we're trying to finish with our bachi down towards the skin of the drum. together. And ni, so, re. Two, three, four. 2, 3, 4. Hup, hup. And so, re. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Hup, hup. So the last part of the pattern is just a doko doko jiuchi played for 8 beats as a crescendo. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doko 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 doko. So that's starting with the right hand and following with the left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Just be very careful not to get faster as you get louder. Try and keep the tempo nice and even. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So the whole pattern together. 1, 2, so, re. Two, three, 4. 2, 3, 4. Hup, hup. And so, re. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Hup, hup. So when Group B are playing this for the staggered section, they're going to start with a kiki, or 2 stick clicks. And this is in time with the Group A playing their first dokon. So you're playing a kiki dokon, so it offsets you a little bit. But it's important to know that the part where you come in with the don, con, second line from the end, you need to come in slightly sooner. So I'll demonstrate and show you what I mean. And, ni, so, re. So you have less of a gap between the sit, don, and bring your arms around. So you didn't really have time to bring the arms round on the second faster part. So it's si, si. So you just need to omit this part and start playing the don, con, and that brings you back into sync with group A. So you can play that part together and the crescendo, doko, 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 doko.
And, ni, so, re.